Hi everybody, my name is Dan Onions. It's a pleasure to be here today. I'm the Global Head of Data Management for Quantexa. So Quantexa is a global company, but I'm here from London today. And Quantexa is an enterprise software company providing decision intelligence and data product capability. And we're partners with Databricks. And last night, I'm proud that we won the Databricks Innovation Partner of the Year. And we're deployed at very large organizations across the world, including 30 of the top 50 banks, and also leading companies across insurance, telco, government, and healthcare. So thank you for gathering here today to commemorate the life of traditional master data management. MDM led a noble life. It was to make data consistent and transform the enterprise. MDM had a dream. With perfect master data, it would provide a basis for all other data to connect. And of course, we all need good data. MDM said, if you have a single record for each customer, then you have order and harmony. Transaction records would not get lost because one true master would connect all records together. It promised a single source of truth, but the truth is, everyone gave up waiting. Let's look at how this happened. MDM's last stand took place in the labyrinth of enterprise IT, hundreds of monsters known as legacy applications, some ancient and notoriously hard to kill, each separately capturing data inconsistently, multiple swamps known as data warehouses and data lakes, aggregating data differently. MDM said, we must standardize and validate data at the point of creation. It will stop the duplication and bring the monsters under control. However, it underestimated the challenge. It was up against a powerful force, known as culture, which is known to protect from change. Some say MDM's downfall was its obsession with single version of truth. It pushed hard and business owners rebelled because each had their own data needs. MDM pushed even harder. It said, we will fully centralize master data to finally stop the fragmentation. It tried to force data harmonization, but it got stuck in the labyrinth and became one of the monsters languishing today as a legacy technology. MDM picked a battle with the business, but ultimately has lost the war. Two new heroes came along, offering a powerful alternative for the good of both the business and data. Data products to serve trusted data across the enterprise, and decision intelligence to automate and augment business decisions with analytics and AI. Using Databricks and Quantexa together, you have a contextual fabric of connected enterprise data, which enables the business to grow revenue, optimize process, and protect from risk. Important battle-winning capabilities are unifying data from across all sources, including internal and external, enabling the creation of rich data products that are reusable across the enterprise for analytical and operational use. Many organizations are already creating foundational data products based on source data. Now you can create enterprise data products using technologies such as entity resolution and graph generation that can drive better business outcomes. These capabilities work together for much better effect, a force multiplier. Let's review the battlegrounds. Firstly, on business value. With traditional MDM, you'll be lucky to get useful output in 18 months. It takes significant time to get data fit for enterprise use, even on cloud. MDM will say, business value comes later. Keep the faith, keep waiting. Meanwhile, with data products and decision intelligence, it's possible to deliver value whilst fixing the data foundations. You can orient data products towards business value. You create decision intelligence applications with real measurable business ROI. And Quantexa customers have achieved outstanding results using this approach, such as customer intelligence applications growing revenue by hundreds of millions in new business, optimizing the business, 20% plus gains in efficiency, and reducing losses, millions in savings through detecting risk and fraud. And not only in banking and insurance, but also across other industries such as government, telco, and healthcare. Battleground 2. Fragmented data is a huge challenge in organizations. And in this example, users of source applications have captured separate records about Future Energy Limited. Are they the same company? MDM uses ancient matching technology that misses a significant number of matches. MDM matches the easy records, then they say, we're just stuck on the hard ones. Then they need a sizable remediation team for the last 10%. Oh, and then just focus on the basic attributes. Quantexa generated data products are very different. Entity resolution joins records in a completely different way, typically provides 25% deduplication. Scalable to billions of records, so you can add third-party data into your platform. If you need data enrichment, deploy all of Dun & Bradstreet and Moody's data, if you like, alongside your own internal data. Different use cases need different views, so you can change the level of fuzziness for analytics or risk detection, and generate graph views for AI and analytics. And powerful security controls allow you to serve up data dynamically. You can also steward the data through merges, splits, and attribute overrides to fix issues. And there's options for different styles of architecture, whether batch, events, or APIs to serve data. Battleground 3, data democratization. Giving data consumers access to data without dependency on IT processes. It's allowing innovation and self-sufficiency from those with specialist knowledge of data and its business meaning. So what are the key challenges for a data consumer? Maybe you're innovating, say, with the AI, or building data-driven apps, say, with a CRM, or building a reporting platform. You typically go through a process such as, designing, so choosing a project goal. What is the business outcome that it's supporting? What's the right AI for the right job? There's many techniques to choose from. What's the success criteria? Then you go into data sourcing, identifying the critical data elements, whether it be structured, unstructured, third-party data. You have to prepare that data then, get access to the data you need, checking the quality, wrangling and cleansing it. And then you go to the value realization. So iterative development for value, say with AI, having an experiment that works, but then deciding that you need to make it into a production-ready service. Hopefully you get to roll out before you run out of energy. Traditional MDM was never designed for any of this. It just takes too long and the data is too narrow. And most organizations have ignored it for this type of use case. With data products, you prepare data ready for reuse. You put data products into a catalog to create an internal data marketplace. And with this approach, you create data once and then use it many times. And it saves effort so data consumers can find data that they need because the key data has already been created. It means that the source and prepare is mostly done up front for a project so that data scientists and other data consumers can design and iterate faster through the reuse of data products, spending less time wrangling data. And it really changes the way you think about data integration in an organization to become more consumer-centric, so consumers can get the trusted data sets that they need. Battleground 4, agility and governance. So data democratization has a tension with data governance because there's a need to set data free, but also to control it. And data products largely solve this tension. It's where the governance is applied. It's the contract for a data consumer that the quality, the currency, and the accuracy will be as stated. It's really applying a product management wrapper around a data asset, the same way a consumer product that you buy in a shop is shipped with an appropriate level of quality for its purpose. And a data product, and this is kind of according to Gartner, the top three, is consumption ready, so it's trusted by consumers, kept up to date by engineering teams, and approved for use, so it's governed. It also should be reusable, because if you're going to put the effort into creating a data product, then you want it to be reusable many times. And from a consumer perspective, you should be able to browse data products, request access, and get it quickly, and have that data available in an interoperable way via APIs or files. And if MDM was the prison for data resources, then data products set them free. Data products are a consumer-centric approach to governance. You build data outputs that drive value. So how do we get value from data products? They're not for free. In fact, create a data set and put a product wrapper around it, it does have a cost. So reuse is the next battleground. The concept of the data marketplace is that data products can be created by different engineering teams and they can be consumed by other teams. It's a marketplace, it has two sides to it. And a data marketplace can offer a variety of data, and at Quantexa we're strong at creating data products that are based on joining data, such as a single view of businesses, of customers, enriching those views with third-party data, creating, say, a list of high-value prospects using graph analytics, or dynamically creating a watch list for real-time fraud detection using graph features. Perhaps ironically, master data products will have the broadest impact. The need for good master data never went away. It's crucial for an enterprise. MDM lost this battle through outdated technology and inflexibility. The result, our customers are delivering higher value faster. The economics and business case for data products are simple. It's reuse plus business value. So if you choose reusable data products to create and share, you'll get payback in productivity. So more time for data scientists and data engineers to work on the value add, the things that you really employed them to do. Although each data product will have an overhead, and let's say 20% extra cost to turn a data asset into a data product, and then of course maintain it. But if once you get more than 2 or 3 uses of that, then the payback really stacks up. And using decision intelligence, there's also a direct business benefit in the data products that we use. So overall, our customers have achieved 3% increase in revenue uplift, let's say from customer intelligence data products, enabling prospecting, upsell and cross-sell. But also a 1 to 3% operating margin improvement from detecting risk and fraud. So there is a strong business case for using data products in the enterprise. It was never a fair fight. No one gives a blank check for data and IT anymore. The world's changing. There's higher expectations for value. There's a need to reduce the complexity of IT. And if you think data products really play into that as well, because data products provide a single point where you can get that data that's already been prepared. So you're reducing the amount of integrations. They also deliver business improvements in parallel with establishing a data foundation. So by, at the same time, establishing your data products and delivering business use cases, you can then fund the investment that's needed in removing the complexity from IT. And master data is still foundational, but data products with decision intelligence is the way that you can fix the data foundations and transform your business. Thank you very much. It's been great talking to you. But I'll take some questions in a moment. But if you will be interested in Quantexa, please, you can connect with me on LinkedIn or request a Quantexa demo. Yeah, if there's any questions, please let me know.